All right, here's an 036 Pro. It's an older saw, but it's been taken real good care of. That's the original bar and chain that's been on the saw. You can tell how clean this saw is. They kept it very, very clean. It came from a hospital use. They used it around the hospital. So it wasn't used, as you can see, it wasn't used much. It sat probably more than what it was ever used. It's in excellent shape. I took pictures of the compression on it. It shows 150 psi. But I'm going to start it up for you, let you hear it run. So bear with me just a second here. Son, he put 30-to-1 ratio in it. He made a mistake, but it runs fine. Let's just put test. But this is exactly how I got it. You see how clean it is. It's a nice saw. 20-inch bar and chain.